Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know that I have my mic on. Yeah, I do. We are gonna play Subway Surfers. I just played like a minute ago. If you don't just play it, it's really fun. We are gonna do 3 matches today. I kinda suck at this game, but don't mind it. I'm not gonna do spoils tomorrow. I don't know yet. I probably will post again today. Because I just want to get the Uno thing out my head. It's annoying when you think about 2 things and in the morning it's hard because no one is on and you have to get to school, so I will do it today too. Okay, we kind of need to turn it up. Oh, yeah! Margarita. But how much coins do we have? It's crazy, dog. Out it! What the nick? Yes. Completed. Don't log into Facebook because I don't have Facebook. Duffel bag! Another duffel bag! This is the last round. I know this is not cool and all, but it's alright. It will do for right now. Cause I know I'm gonna post like 2 videos today and this is the last round, I guess. Bye.